All right, guys, welcome back to the Field Guide to Ranch Roping. Real quick, I'm going to cover a couple of different ways on how to rebuild a loop. This is one way that I have not shown in very many videos, but a lot of people are asking me how I do it. So there's a way that I flip that Honda around and kind of build my loop fast, and this is how it goes. So if my palm's facing you, right, I'm going to grab my spoke in between my thumb and pointer finger, and then I'm going to put my loop in between my birdie finger and my pointing finger. And I'm simply going to roll that loop backwards and keep a hold of it with the birdie finger and the pointing finger and drag it up. And I'm going to continue that until it's just simply a variation of this one. Instead of having to roll my hand all the way back, I just grab that spoke like this, grab the rope there, and twist, and it comes uncoiled. Another way to rebuild fast, if you hadn't seen it in the other videos, is you can put your rope in the palm of your hand, throw your palm to the sky, catch your Honda, stick your pinky finger inside of the loop where the Honda's facing you, the knot will be on the right, and pull it like a bowstring. And then you just kind of shuck your, I didn't pull it far enough. Pull it like a bowstring, and then you push your Honda down to give you your spoke, and you're good to go. But really, those are the two ways that I build a loop the most. That time, that way you see me kind of spinning it, that was the first way I showed you. I had somebody ask about that one. Guys, thank y'all so much for buying the Field Guide. If you haven't seen the Field Guide to Ranch Roping, scan the QR code, hit the link in the description, go to 310edu.com. You can purchase it there. You can download this right to your phone, guys. It's got a different card for every single rope and shot I know how to throw. It has your positioning, the angle of your swing, all the details you need to perfect each and every shot. I think there's, I hadn't counted them all up yet, but somewhere between 39 and 41 shots. So 40 shots, roughly. So go check that out. Thank you so much for watching.